Today, we are going to explore Area by Miss Goodison
and Miss Malvis.
Okay, so now you might be asking, what is area? Well, area is the total space within a 2D shape. Now, how do we calculate area for squares and rectangles, which we'll be exploring today? Now, when you want to find the area of a square or a rectangle, you need to calculate the width by the length. We use this formula every time we calculate the area of a square or a rectangle. We can see the length is the longest side and the width is the shortest side.
So let's test this out with Labubus and this rectangle you see on the screen right now. So we know that one Labubu is the same size as one square, and to find the width, we can see by the highlighted boxes that 2 Labubus is the width of this rectangle. And for the length, it is 3 Labubus. So now that we know the width and the length, let's find the area. So we see that the width is 2 and the length is 3. And by the equation that Miss Goodison gave us, the area will equal 2 times 3 or 2 Labubus times 3 Labubus, which equals 6 squared Labubus.
Now, I want you to have a think about the formula, which is width times length. Now, if 1 square equals 1 centimeter, I want you to think about what the answer would be if 1 square was actually 1 meter.
If 1 Labubu is equal to 1 meter, then this rectangle would be 6 squared meters.
Why do we use squared units? Well, we use squared units because we are actually calculating the entire area of the square. We are not just calculating the length of the shape, which is also known as the
perimeter.
Now, where can we use area in real life scenarios? Now, say Miss Goodison bought a block of land and I want to buy a house, and I want to build a house. So I bought this block of land. I need to calculate how much the area is of this land to see how big I can build my house. Now, I have built my house. I want to put furniture in it. Well, what will I need to do? I will need to calculate the area of my house and the rooms. So say I wanted to buy a couch. I will need to calculate the area of my lounge room and then the area of my couch to see if my couch will fit in the total area of my lounge room. Now, I want to build a garage and I want to fit these 2 cars I've bought in my garage. I will need to calculate the total area of my garage and then the area of my cars to see if the area of my garage fits the 2 areas of my car.
Now that we know the basic fundamentals of area, it's time to do our learning activities. And most importantly, good luck!